Hi, this is Susan with Profit Finder Pro Software, showing you now how to set a lead for a previous or a return customer. This is someone who is already in your database. You've done business with them. What you do is go into your dashboard and go up here to your search bar. You can either enter in their phone number, just enter it in, no dashes or anything like that, or ask them, well, what is your address? Okay, so by the time they get done saying 1701, you have their information them, and you heard them say 1701 Harbor Bay Parkway. So you're going to click on this one. Your closest matches show up first. Sometimes they may say that they did a job, or you did a job at a certain address, and something will show up that doesn't have a highlight, but it shows up. Check this right here. Just hover your mouse, the mouse hand right over that. These addresses right here, these show the job addresses. A lot of times they're the same, a lot of times they're different than this person over here. The reason I put in the street address or the street number is because if I'm typing in her name, Allison, A-L-L-I-S-O-N, there are so many different spellings for Allison, and the search is an exact match, and that's why numbers work so nicely with that. So here I have her information right in front of me before we've even finished greeting each other hardly. So verify your information, what's going on, you know, telephone numbers, new telephone numbers. I'm missing an email address, so I want to try to get that from Allison. And then I'll just go here. We did something for her in 2002, and we also gave an estimate for something in 2002 that we're not going to do. So anyhow, I'm going to go here and create a new job. Your button here may not say create a new job. Maybe it's a new estimate, a new service, whatever this button here says. Just click on that. If it's still the same name and address, just click right here and this will open up. And so now you'll fill in this information right here. This was a previous customer or return customer, however you have that. Typically you assign those to the same person who was out there before if they sell the same product, and you know, if they're still with your company. And now let's say we're going to do a kitchen remodel. Put your notes in here, save those, set your appointment just like you would have set any appointment before. Go here on your calendar and set it for whatever day you were going to set that. And then let's see, I usually put something like previous customer and then just a real brief description of what this is, because this shows up on the very first line of your smartphone, and then when you open your information about the smartphone you'll get the rest of this information here. So if you want to put more information, you can put that right there. I think I'm going to give a couple hours there. Whoops, 4 a.m. I'm going to do 4 p.m. Give a couple hours for that appointment for Brad. So I've scheduled that. Click done, and now my notes and my appointment are here. So that's how you go about setting for a previous customer. Had I gone in here and started typing Allison Gresham, it would have warned me that there is a duplicate record. Duplicate contact found. Check OK to move to the existing contact record, or cancel to continue creating. If this is a totally different person that you've never done work with before, just click OK. Click OK to go to the existing record, or cancel if you want to keep working on this new record that you're creating. Sometimes you might have more than one John Peterson or John Smith or whatever. You may have duplicate names and different addresses, but it is going to warn you first at a duplicate name.